Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we are taking some numerical based on the kinematics or motion in one dimension, in which we are going to take some numerical based on the average speed and average velocity and the numerical related to the equation of motion, in which we have first two numericals, in which we start solution of solution number 2. We are going to start the solution with question number 2 or numerical number 2, that two buses are traveling along a straight road with equal speed of 40 km per hour and separated by a distance of 6 km. A car moving in opposite direction meet the buses after time 5 minutes. Find the speed of the car. Okay, now first we understood about the figure of the question, how it is solved. This is a straight road A to B. Okay, now the bus B1 and this is the second bus, say B2. Okay, it is given that the distance between the two buses is 6 किलोमीटर. ओके, ये दोनों बसेस का बीच का डिस्टेंस है and both the buses moves with a speed of given is speed of bus, we say VB is equal to 40 kilometers per hour, speed of both buses. Okay, let now a car is moving opposite to the direction of buses. Okay, from B to A. ये हमारे पास that car which is moving towards the buses, and it is given the car takes time from one bus to other bus is 5 minutes. It is clear, which means we say velocity of car VC. Okay, and the car take 5 minutes to cross or to meet the two buses. देखिए, पहली both buses are moving with the speed of 40 km, it is given to us. Second which is given, the car is moving in opposite direction of both the buses and the separation distance between two buses is 6 km. It is clear, distance between the two buses is 6 km. So the car meets both the buses after an interval of 5 minutes, which means B2 को वो 5 मिनट पहले मिलेगी, देन B1, तो उसे 6 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने में 5 मिनट लगते हैं. Okay, so we calculate here. We need to calculate the speed of car, so we can use the relative speed of car with respect to bus. Relative speed of car relative speed of car with respect to buses. Okay, we say VCB, that is VC minus VB, and we have to calculate this, and bus is moving in opposite to car, so we can say VC in opposite direction. Yes. Minus 40. This is minus, this is plus. So minus 40. Okay. Okay. As comparison to the bus is moving in opposite direction, we can say minus, so we get finally VC plus 40. This is the relative speed of bus. VCB is equal to VC plus 40. Okay, now time taken by car, to meet the buses, is T is equal to relative speed, distance one minute, we can say is VCB. So we can say VCB is equal to 6 kilometer and time T is 5 minutes. Okay, we can solve it by using 6 kilometer and minute convert into hour is 5/60 hours. It is in kilometer and it is in hours. Now this cancel by 12 times, or on solving we get VCB is 6 kilometer into 12. 6 into 12 kilometer per hour. So it is C is 72 kilometer per hour. This is the relative speed of car with respect to buses. Now by this formula we can calculate VC equal to VCB minus 40, which we get 72 minus 40, and the final result is VC equal to 32 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of car which crosses the which meets the buses after 5 minutes separated by 6 kilometer. Copy this solution. Then we are going to understood about the first solution. Okay. Now solution number first. Question is, a man walks on a straight road from his home to market 2.5 kilometer with a speed of 5 kilometer per hour. Finding market closed, he instantly returned to home with a speed of 7.5 kilometer per hour. We need to calculate first average velocity of man, second average speed of man over the time interval of first 0 to 30 minutes, 0 to 50 minutes and 0 to 40 minutes. Now suppose a man is moving from point A to point B, or we say home to market. Home to market. Okay. It is given that the distance from home to market is 2.5 kilometer. Okay. Let home is at point A and market is at point B. Now, initially he is moving from, okay, we can write here, given that given distance A to B, okay, is 2.5 kilometers. Second, speed of man, we say speed is 5 kilometer per hour, moving from A to B, जब वो घर से मार्केट की तरफ जा रहा है. ओके. सेकंड, स्पीड 7.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मूविंग market to market or moving from B to A. Okay. Now कंडीशंस को देखते हैं स्टूडेंट. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू सॉल्व दैट द एवरेज वेलोसिटी. एवरेज velocity. Okay, for this the man is moving from A to B and he finds that the market is closed and he return back to the home. Okay, so first point तो इसमें यही हो जाएगा, the displacement of man, displacement of man is 0. Okay, therefore average velocity is displacement upon time is also 0. Okay, next second part is we need to calculate the average speed of man of interval of 0 to 30 and this. Now from 0 to 30, part A, average speed from time interval 0 to 30 minutes. Okay, 0 to 30 minutes, that is the speed of man. यहां पे हम निकालेंगे, टाइम हमारे पास है, this will solve at टाइम हम सॉल्व करेंगे, वी गेट 30 minutes. It will be converted into hour. 30 upon 60 in hours, it will comes to 2 hours. Now we have that average speed is equal to distance upon time, and distance we have 2.5 kilometer upon we have time, that is 1 upon 2 hours. On solving we get average speed is 5 kilometer per hour. This is the first answer. Okay, second, average speed 0 to 50. Okay, so 30 minutes he take to cover the distance from A to B, and when he return back, then he is moving with a speed of 7.5 kilometer. We can solve this. point B, time taken for returning, time taken from B to A is again 2.5. T is equal to 2.5 kilometer and the speed is 7.5. kilometers per hour. So we can find this 1/3 hours. ये उसको टाइम लगता है वापस जाने में. And we can solve it as the or 1 minute student. We can say total distance covered from A to B and then B to A is D is equal to AB distance A to B plus distance B to A is 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5 kilometer. Okay, this is the total distance and the speed or we say time जो यहाँ पे ये ले रहा है that is 50 minutes. We can solve it in the hours, that is 50/60 hours. We can calculate it. T is equal to 5/6 hours. Okay, now we have average speed. In total journey in 0 to 50 minutes. Okay, is V average is distance upon time 5/5/6. This will solve to average speed is 6 kilometer per hour. This is the time. This is the average speed from 0 to 50 minutes. And next we have the part C, average speed in time 0 to 40 minutes. Okay, for this first he cover in 30 minutes 2.5 kilometers. Okay, and then in 10 minutes जब वो रिटर्न कर रहा है तो उसकी स्पीड कितनी है? तो आंसर है उसकी स्पीड 7.5 किलोमीटर है. तो डिस्टेंस सपोज वो सी पॉइंट तक आता है, सो वी कैन से डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम बी टू सी with a speed of 7.5 into time taken, velocity into time. This is 7.5 and time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes is converted into second, hours. It will turns to distance from B to C is 1 kg 2 3 5 1.2 0.25 kilometer. This is the distance from B to C. Therefore, total distance is DAB plus DB to C is 2.5 plus 1.25. Clear? Therefore, we can find that the distance is 3.75 kilometer. Now, the average speed V 0 to 40, or we say V average is 3.75 upon time is 40 minutes. We can solve it as 40 by 60. So this is cancelled by 2 and 3 times. So we can get 3 into 3 upon 3.75 into 3 upon 2. Therefore, average speed is 1 minute. We can solve it. This we calculate is 5.6 kilometer per hour. This is the solution for this question. Copy this solution. Okay. Now we have the next numerical, that we start from solution number 4. Okay. The question is, a car is moving along the straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour and is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meters. What is the retardation of the car and how long does it take for the car to stop? Okay. So, given that speed of car is initial speed of car is u is equal to 126 kilometer per hour. Convert it into meter per second. 126 into 5 by 18 meter per second. On solving we get is 775 ja 35 meter per second. This is the speed of car and is brought to stop within 200 meter. Okay, 200 मीटर बाद उसको रुकना है, डेट इज द फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड, एंड वी हैव डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड एट d is equal to 200 meter. Okay, now first we calculate the acceleration, which we need to calculate here first. So by using, we have the velocity initial and final, and also we have a distance, so we can use the third equation of motion. By using third equation of motion, we can calculate 1 minute acceleration d हमारे पास है. ओके, ठीक है. तो ये हमें मिल जाएगा v स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2ad, और वैसे अगर हम इसे s यूज करते हैं सो वी कैन से 2as. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट हियर a, सो वी कैन सॉल्व फॉर a. a is v स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर अपॉन 2s. बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यूज, v we have 0, minus is 35 square upon 2 into 200. On solving we get acceleration is minus 1225 upon 400. This we calculate is minus 12.25 upon 4, which is a is equal to minus 3.06, 1 minute, 06 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर अप्रोक्सीमेटली. ये आपका एक्सेलरेशन आ जाएगा. नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द टाइम फॉर स्टॉप. देयरफॉर बाय फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, वी हैव v इक्वल टू u प्लस at. देयरफॉर t is equal to v minus u upon a. Clear? So here we have 0 minus 35 upon minus 3.06. Okay. So 12 3 ja 36 and it is 35. So we can solve it. T is equal to minus minus become plus. So plus about 11.9 second. This is the time to stop taken by the, we can say approximately also, approx. Okay, maybe it will be comes to 11.87 or 9.3 और जो भी आएगा. This is the first solution. Copy this. Okay, now we are going to solve the first problem. Okay students, for this problem solution number 3, we have the problem is a ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a multi-story building, and it is find that the height of the point from where the ball is thrown is 25 meter from the ground. So we first calculate how high will the ball rise, and second, how long will it be before hits the ground. We need to take here the value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, first we have given is initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, next height h1 is 25 meter because it is thrown vertically upward from a height of 25 meter from the ground. हमें इसमें कैलकुलेट करना है कितनी ऊपर ये जाएगी, and second we need to calculate that time taken by it. Okay, so first we draw the graph for this. सपोज कोई मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग है. ओके, ये ले लेते हैं. ये ग्राउंड है, ओके. एट पॉइंट O the person is at point A, and from here the ball is thrown by him and let it reaches to point B पेयर. तो फर्स्ट तो ये है कि ये यहाँ से h1 हाइट तो हमें गिवन है, h1 इज 25 मीटर. ओके, एंड दिस वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट, लेट से h2 ये हमें निकालना है. तो ये टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? सो आंसर है द टोटल हाइट इज कैपिटल H. क्लियर? सो पहले तो हम यही निकाल लेते हैं कि यहां से ये मैक्सिमम हाइट जो ले रहा है फ्रॉम A टू B, हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक. इट इज क्लियर? फॉर इट वी हैव द velocity thrown initially, that is velocity v to v, A to B is, we say initial velocity u is given, and when it reaches the highest point B, its final velocity become 0. Okay, and acceleration we have downward. Okay, acceleration A work downward, which is equal to g. Whenever it's thrown vertically upward, the acceleration due to velocity due to acceleration due to gravity is work on it. So acceleration we use here minus 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सो हमारे पास यहाँ पे इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है फाइनल वेलोसिटी है एंड एक्सेलरेशन है. वी कैन कैलकुलेट टाइम बाय यूजिंग द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट अगर हम इसको 9.8 लेंगे. लेट वी यूज हियर 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड, सो इट इज 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ by first equation of motion, first equation we have v equal to u plus at. Therefore a is equal to v minus u upon time we need to calculate. We say t1, initial time is t1. So a, here we have v when the ball is reached to b is 0 and minus is 20, and the acceleration work downward is also 20 negative. Therefore t1 is 2 seconds. ये तो इसका पहला टाइम है जो ये a से b तक जाने में रहेगा. सेकंड, हाइट h2. ओके, h2 के लिए हम यूज करेंगे स्टूडेंट v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2a h2. देयरफॉर h2 इज v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर अपॉन 2a. Clear? So h2 is equal to 0 minus square of 20 upon 2 into minus 10. We calculate it is minus 400 upon minus 20. So this value is 20 meter high from the ground, from the point A. So h2 is 20 meter. Therefore total height that capital H is equal to h1 plus h2 is 25, which is given, and 20 meter is rise from the ground is capital S is equal to 45 meter. Okay, now it will return back from point B to the ground. ठीक है, तो अब हमें B से C तक की वैल्यू निकालनी है. एंड व्हेन द बॉल इज एट पॉइंट B, इट हैज वेलोसिटी इज 0. सो हियर वेलोसिटी एट B, velocity at B is u is equal to 0. Okay, therefore, and distance is 45 meter. Acceleration is minus 10 meter per second square, and time we need to calculate. Therefore by second equation we have S is equal to, or we say H is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, now this is 45, u is 0 plus 1 by 2 minus 10 into t square. This will cancel by 5 time, and this 5 cancel this 9 time, so we get t square is equal to minus 9. Therefore we calculate is t2 is plus minus 3 seconds, because time is a scalar quantity, so it is t2 is equal to plus 3 seconds. Okay, now total time in air, or we say before hits the ground, is t is equal to t1 plus t2, which is 2 second plus 3 second is 5 second. Answer. So copy this problem, and it is a very most important solution. Thank you.